It is so hot here. We are experiencing, like the rest of the world, a huge heat wave. And I have my AC on anyway, but I need more air. So today we are going to talk about 6 projects, cotton projects for the summer, for the heat wave, some projects that you can actually put the hook in your hand and walk without feeling that you're sweating and sweating and sweating, right? I know, we are all in this together. So let's get started and so we can do some projects, all right? The first one, as you can see, I started to wear headbands. This is new for me because usually I put headbands on my head and they don't stay, they fall off. Something about the shape of my head or my ears or whatever. I cannot keep them straight and stay on my head, so I used some pins, how do you call them, bobby pins or somehow like that. And now I'm really loving it. So we have this breeze headband made with cotton yarn. Look at the stitch pattern. And this one I designed with a long strap so I can actually tie it and then it will stay. But still does not stay all the time. I have to use some, how do you call this, black pins, bobby pins? Maybe bobby pins, I don't know. You know, my English is not perfect, but this is what I mean. So this is the breeze headband. This is what the first projects I want to talk to you about, that you can make in, I don't know, maybe half an hour, and using cotton yarn, so your hands and your hook, it's not slippery and you're not sweating and you're feeling okay in this incredible heat wave. You can find the free patterns of all the projects I'm going to show now in the link in the description box below. They are all free patterns on my blog, and for, I think, all of them, I also have video tutorials. So you will see in the blog post, there is going to be a link to the video tutorial, or you can scroll this channel and look for them, because all the patterns I'm going to show you have video tutorials. All right, so the second one is also something for the head, something for the hair. When it's so hot, I usually put my hair up because I cannot feel the hair in my neck. I get, it bothers me. So I try to put it up. But sometimes I cannot because, my hair is not so long to put it up. So I have a bandana. This is the puff bandana. It's a super, super simple bandana. It's just a double crochet triangle. The unique thing about this bandana is the border. As you can see, we are using the puff stitch, laying down, going down like this all the way around the triangle. Super simple, super fun. Again, maybe half an hour, maybe an hour if you're doing it really small. You can take these projects with you in a bag if you're going to the beach, or if you're by the pool, if you want to cool yourself by the pool. So perfect. Again, cotton yarn, super, super simple. Now the next one is our, of course, so hot, we need to drink a lot of water, right? So we have to carry our water bottle. I have these water bottle carriers, bags, holder pattern for a long time. This is not a new pattern. This is a very old pattern of mine, and it's super, super popular. You can find it again in my blog, the free pattern. And also I made a new video tutorial for this because I thought this is such a popular pattern, I have to make a tutorial. So this is the water bottle holder, again with cotton yarn. For this one, excuse me, I used 2 strands of cotton yarn because I wanted this to be very, very sturdy. But you can use 1 strand, it's fine. So this is the water bottle holder. Again, super summer. Again, a very, very quick project. I don't know. How long do you think this will take you? An hour? 2? Half an hour? Something like that, right? All right, let's move on. So if we are going to the beach, or maybe if we are going to, sit around the pool and cool ourselves by diving in the water a little bit, we need a little bag to bring our essentials, right? We need a little bag to bring our phone, our sunglasses, our sunscreen, our book maybe, or Kindle. So this is our summer bag. It's a small bag. You can make it big, that's fine. You will find all the instructions in the blog post, in the written pattern, but I made a small one because sometimes you just want to take a little bit of things and you don't want a big, huge bag for it. So if I'm going to the pool, I don't need a huge bag. I have the bag with the towels and everything, but then I want a little bag to put, my personal things, and this is enough. Again, using cotton yarn. Look at these colors. I love the color combination. I love this golden, mustard golden color with the peaches. Love it. All right. So this is the next project that you can make. And now I have 2 last ones, because this is going to be a short video. It's too hot. I cannot handle the heat. And by the way, I got this when I went to Cuba. I went to visit Cuba about 5 or 6 years ago, and I loved it. And I also love these, how do you call these? Fans, kind of fun. So I bought 2, and I gave one to my mom. She passed away a year ago, so I have it again in my possession. Look how beautiful this fan is. How do you call these? Hand fans? Something like that. And it gives me such a great, cooling system. My AC is working non-stop. Anyway, the last 2 patterns, I used acrylic yarn for them, but you can totally make them in cotton yarn because they are very summery. You can translate them to summer and use cotton yarn. So the first one is I call them green pea socks. I just released the tutorial, I think last week, when you will watch this video. So the tutorial for the green pea socks will be live in my YouTube here in the channel. But there is also the written pattern is for all the patterns. So I used here acrylic with nylon, so it stretches yarn, but you can definitely make these in cotton yarn and make them, very short, like kind of ankle socks that are more decorative than, to make your feet feel cozy and warm, because we are having such a hot weather, right? And sometimes you just want to be a little bit chic, a little bit boho. So these socks are great. These are called the green pea socks. And as you can see, they're super simple because they don't have shape. They're just a tube. And using a mesh Y stitch, amazing. So this is the 5th one. And our last one, again, this I made in acrylic yarn, but I can imagine this as a beach cover-up in cotton yarn, no problem at all. So this is my Valencia top. Again, there is a video tutorial as well as the written pattern. Look at these fans. Are they amazing? Amazing fans. And super, super easy to make. And this is just 2 rectangles. So you can make it longer and it will be a beach cover-up. And if you use cotton yarn, it's great. You can even wear it not only for the beach, maybe with a tank top beneath it. Beneath? You say beneath? Okay. With a tank top beneath it. And yeah, because, you know, lots of holes. But this is what we need for summer, lots of holes, right? So the breeze and the air can come in so we don't get all sweaty. All right, so these are my summer projects, cotton projects that I think you can make where you are experiencing this amazing heat wave. And I know all of us are experiencing this all over the world. So yeah, it's a global problem now. You will find all the patterns in my blog. The link will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video because it's so hot. So I will see you next week with this new tutorial. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue and bring you content like this. Bye!